Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make tomato soup packet walla. First, gather your essential ingredients and tools. It's always a good idea to quickly check the instructions on your specific soup packet, as they can vary slightly. Also, think about any delicious additions you might want to include, like a swirl of cream or some crunchy croutons, and get those ready. Now, let's get cooking. Carefully empty the full contents of your tomato soup packet into the saucepan. Next, add the precise amount of water specified on the packet, which is usually around 200 to 250 milliliters. Stir the mixture constantly with a whisk or spoon over medium heat, ensuring it dissolves completely and doesn't stick, until it reaches a rolling boil. Hey everyone, quick break here. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy cooking tips. Speaking of delicious soup, if you ever have leftovers or want to prep other meals, these leak-proof containers are fantastic for keeping food fresh and organized. You can find the link to them and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. After your soup comes to a boil, reduce the heat to low. Allow it to simmer gently for about 3 to 5 minutes. Remember to stir it every now and then to prevent it from sticking to the bottom of the pan and to ensure even cooking. This simmering time helps the soup thicken to the perfect consistency and allows the flavors to fully develop. Give it a quick taste test. Your delicious packet tomato soup is now ready to enjoy. Carefully pour the steaming hot soup into your favorite serving bowls. For an extra touch, you can garnish it with a swirl of fresh cream, some finely chopped cilantro, or a handful of crispy croutons. It pairs wonderfully with a classic grilled cheese sandwich or a slice of warm, crusty bread. Enjoy your quick and comforting meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.